built without engines, without electricity, without power tools.
My skin is copper. My heart is iron.
To rebuild this today would exceed $40 billion.
This is not a statue. This is a factory-built megastructure.
This is the Statue of Liberty.
Born from revolution, diplomacy, and ambition.
A monument to liberty, engineered as diplomacy.
Failure was not an option.
Heave, men, heave! Watch the alignment. Steady now, lower it in. A little to the right, slower. We've got it, bring it in.
The scale alone turned geography into an enemy.
This was not solid stone. It was flexible. Designed to move so it would not break.
Copper expands. Iron holds.
The skeleton came first. Gently now, watch the edges. It's a perfect match. Bring it to the crate. Lower gently now. Watch the timbers.
Secure. Hoist the cover into place.
Easy now, lower it slowly. All right, men, heave! Watch the line!
Over 300 separate pieces.
One storm could erase years of work.
Steady as she goes. Yee-hoo! All right, men, secure the lines. Get those cranes ready. Lower it easy now. Watch the timbers! All right, she's down.
The copper was never fixed rigidly.
Hold it steady, just a little to the east.
Easy now, watch the rivets!
Lower her down, slow and steady.
Lift it slowly. All right, man, lift it slowly.
Built by hands. Sustained by design.
No records kept their names.
It became a signal. And it held.
Time, finish the surface. Still relevant today, this preserved structure continues to inspire millions.
The process never left. The factory succeeded.
If this could be built by hand, what should we decode next?